Assembly your e-bike Bk1 begins. It may take you about 20 minutes to assemble this e-bike. It begins by unpacking it from the box. Make sure all the tools and accessories are in package. The required tools for installing are a number 4 and a number 5 hex Allen key, a cross screwdriver and a number 15 open end wrench. It will be better if you have a vice grips or lineman's pliers. Step 1. Assemble the handlebar. Rotate the handlebar to the right direction. Insert the cover into the handlebar and put it into the stand. Tighten the top screw with an Allen key and cover. Using the Allen key to loosen the stand bolts and adjust handlebar. Tighten the bolts after adjusted. Step 2. Assemble the saddle seat. Place the saddle into the seat post. Adjust the seat height and position for the rider's comfort and tighten it in place. Step 3. Assemble the mudguard. Position the mudguard between the front fork. Insert a screw, then tighten the front light. Use the nut and wrench to tighten it. Tighten both sides onto the front fork. Step 4. Assemble the front wheel. Loosen both end nuts of the front wheel. Put the axle onto the fork. Please make sure to put the disc and brake on the same side. Use the wrench to tighten the nuts. Step 5. Assemble the pedals. Place the pedal marked L or R on the crank arm. For the right pedal, rotate anti-clockwise to tighten. For the left pedal, rotate the opposite direction. Please tighten it with a wrench to avoid loosening in riding. Step 6. Install the reflectors. Insert the hoop onto the reflectors until it heard a click. Use a screwdriver to tighten. Clip the reflector on the wheel strip. Tighten the rear reflector. Tips. Adjust brake line. If you feel your brake are too tight or too loose, loosening the screw and adjusting until it suits your best. Tighten the screw with an Allen key when finished. Testing the display and the railer before go.